In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search multiple airports on Google Flights. This is a great way to compare prices and schedules across nearby airports, so you can find the itinerary that fits your budget and timing without repeating the same search over and over. First, open Google Flights in your browser. When the page loads, you'll see the main dashboard, fields for where you're flying from, and two, your travel dates and options you can adjust later, like cabin class or the number of travelers. Think of this as your control panel. Everything you set here tells Google Flights what to look for. Start with your departure point, click into the From field, and type the name of a city or a specific airport. As you type, suggestions will appear. Choose the exact one you want so the system locks it in. If you want to compare several departure airports, maybe your home airport plus others within driving distance, use the small plus icon next to the field. Click it to add another entry, type the next city or airport, and select it from the list. Repeat this to include as many nearby options as you need. Mixing city names and airport names is fine, and selecting from the suggestions helps avoid mix-ups with similar codes. Now do the same for your destination. Click the To field and enter a city or an airport. If you're flexible, add multiple destinations as well, perhaps the main airport that serves your trip plus an alternative on the other side of town. Again, use the plus icon to add each one and confirm it from the suggestions so Google Flights searches them all together. Next, choose your travel dates. Open the calendar, pick your departure date, then select your return date. As you move across the calendar, you'll notice prices updating in real time. This can help you nudge your trip by a day or two to catch a lower fare without changing anything else. When everything looks good, hit search. Google Flights will now scan combinations across all the departure and destination airports you selected and assemble the best matches. You'll see results labeled with the airport codes, so take a moment to confirm which airport each option uses on both ends. From here, review the flight details and pick the itinerary that works for you. Pay attention to total travel time, connection quality, and the logistics of getting to each airport you chose. If you need to fine-tune, use the on-page filters to narrow by stops, times, airlines, or price, and then select the option you want to book.